Alright, Rudy, here's your video comparing the regular Makita drill to the impact driver that I just got. Alright, we're going to screw these 3.5-inch Spax screws into this 4x4 piece of wood. Oh, it's going to be hard. Hold on. I have to use my trusty mount here to show you what's going on. Alright, screw number 1, Makita regular drill. Alright, pretty good. I was on number 1 speed. Time to switch out to the impact driver. Both of these batteries have been charged. Alright, locked and loaded. Whoa! Alright, well, that's the impact driver.